welcome back to my channel. Sit down with my sister right here, and we'll be playing our fidget spinner that we got yesterday. And yeah, let's do this.
I dropped it, it keeps spinning.
So we'll get ready to
We're going to say one thing. Wait, I'll put it on.
No!
It's like the other one's broken. Yo, leave mine.
Oh, you mine. I'll put that much.
Don't go to Can I see the thing? You guys can still see the thing.
So here is mine. My one spins fast just like my sister's. And she admits it that she has the fastest spider, which she doesn't. My brother does. My brother does. So I don't know how the hell did that happen. That orange thing just went to turn, the whole thing turned orange. The orange thing, the whole thing turned orange. So my fidget spinner still doesn't. But actually it is called a hand spinner.
I don't know why.
You don't know why, but lots of people call it fidget spinner. So I'm gonna show you a cool trick that me and my sister showed. Bruh. The yellow one's on the bottom and my one is on the top. So I call mine skateboardy because it looks like a skateboard color. And yeah, my sister calls it yellowy, and I don't know what my brother calls it. I think he calls it the perito. Yeah. So we will be playing some more and blah. Okay. So yeah. Well, I'm just gonna pause it for a second, okay? So I'm going to give you a tour of our house since we just finished our fidget spinners and the jug is just boiling well. And I'll just shout out to my auntie. Shout out to her because she subscribed to my YouTube channel, and yeah. So my dad is just playing GTA in our room. I'm just going into our lounge, and that's our cool TV. So yeah, we got so much stuff, but I am just too lazy to show you guys all of our stuff, so thank you guys. Please drop a like down bottom. Watch my videos, and I'll write down below in our description about last week. I did a YouTube video and it was with my Minecraft sister, playing Minecraft with me, and GTA. Okay, so peace.